Hello students, I'm Astra, your trainer from VS Tech Horizon. In our last session, we created an LED blinking project using Tinkercad. Now, let's take it to the next level and build the same project using real hardware. This will help us understand how circuits work physically and how to upload the code to an actual Arduino Nano. Components required and their functionality. Arduino Nano, the brain of our project that controls the LED light-emitting diode, our output component that will blink. Resistor 330 ohms or 220 ohms to limit the current and protect the LED. Male-to-male jumper wires used to connect components. Breadboard to build the circuit without soldering. Nano cable to upload the code from the computer to the Arduino Nano. First, let's take a look at the components one by one. This is the Arduino Nano. It is the microcontroller that will control our LED. This is the LED, and this is the resistor. It limits the current flow to protect the LED. These are male-to-male jumper cables. They help us connect different components. This is the Arduino Nano USB cable. We will use it to upload the code. This is the breadboard. It helps us connect components without soldering. Now, let's build the project step by step. Take the breadboard and Arduino Nano, fix the Arduino Nano onto the breadboard like this. Before placing LED, let's understand the polarity. The long leg is positive, that is anode. The short leg is negative, that is cathode. Attach the LED on the breadboard by ensuring the correct placement of positive and negative legs. Take a male-to-male jumper wire and connect one end to the digital pin D2 of the Arduino Nano. Connect one end of the resistor to the positive, that is anode leg, of the LED. Place the other end of the resistor into a different row on the breadboard. Take a male-to-male jumper wire and connect another end to the same row where the resistor is connected. Now, take another jumper wire and connect one end to the ground, that is GND pin of the Arduino Nano. Connect the other end to the negative leg of the LED. Our circuit is now ready. Take the Arduino Nano USB cable and connect it to the Arduino Nano. Plug the other end into the laptop. Open the Arduino IDE on your laptop. Now, copy the same code we used in Tinkercad and paste it into the Arduino IDE. Now change pin number to 2, because we have connected it to the digital pin of Arduino Nano 2. To compile the code, click here and wait till the code gets compiled. To push the code into the controller, click here. Now that the code is uploaded, let's see if our project is working. As you can see, the LED is blinking successfully. That means our circuit and code are working perfectly. So, in this video, we learned how to build an LED blinking project using real hardware. We assembled the circuit, uploaded the code, and successfully tested the output. In the next video, we will build another interesting project using Arduino, so stay tuned.